Hi guys, Joe here, and today we're looking at a new product. Of course, I'm going to test it before I go out, but at the moment I'm trying to go a little bit lighter on my pack, not ultra light, but light enough that I can stay out longer. And I found a really cool product. So this here is the Wildside Featherlight 700 set. So I'll show you this now. Take a look. So here is the set. Comes in a nice mesh bag. You get a lid, which top bit stays up, which is nice. Does have some holes on it. Comes with a little stove right here, and empty. It only weighs 12 grams. It holds 30 mil of fuel. Comes with a little bottle for your Met stove. This here is the main part. And it comes with a container, which also has the measurements on the inside, which is handy. And handles that come out, butterfly handles. So that's nice. So let's set this up now and I'll show you how it works. So you have these two pieces which make up the windshield and also the container holder, which they just fold around like that and then slip into that. The fiddly bit that you might think would be putting them together, but what you gotta do is line up the two spots there, and then you kind of just overlay them like that all the way around, and that's strong enough because this is titanium to hold the pot, and then you get a nice strong base. So next bit is the stove. That's how it looks on the inside. I'm just gonna put some fuel in it. Well, that should be enough. There we go. It's lit. So once that's lit, I'm just gonna take the cone, put the cone over it, use the pan. So I got about 400 ml of water in here. I should use the lid. And you pop it on top, which is just in between that and that, and then it sits just like that. Good airflow, and it really holds the heat in. And we shall be timing this. Time is 7 minutes 10 seconds, which I think is pretty good. I'm happy with that. That's something you can put on and then go do other stuff while this is boiling. So to me, that's good. Take the pot off. I'm just going to lift the whole thing up and off the heat. And then I will just duck this out. I did say duck this out. Duck this out is something that we just used to say when I was a kid around the area. I think mainly it was about cigarettes, but I just carried it on to everything being put out. So just to clarify. So titanium cools really quickly. So I'm going to take my nail, put my nail on it, and the pot comes out easy. In my opinion, that went pretty well. And considering it's a bit chilly out, that went pretty well. So let me just throw some numbers at you. First off, I did write a little blog about lightweight and going camping and going out and doing bushcraft. It's on the website, prepperinthewoods.co.uk. So go check the blog out. Also, there's also discounts on there for a lot of shops. Use my promo codes and stuff. But I put a lot of stuff on, a lot of information to get some good money off on stuff. So go check that out. So The stove, the full system, so the stove, the fuel, and the pot, is 159 grams, which is a lot lighter than I normally carry. The pack size is 115 mil by 72 mil. So I think that's pretty good as well. So it's not something that's going to take up much room in your bag. It'll probably go on the near the top of your bag, just right on the top, because it's compact. I'm also going to put in a lighter, 2 of these sachets for coffee, and I'm also going to put, I made a little foil that when you open it up, it forms a circle the size of the cone, so I don't burn anything on the ground and keep everything, you know, unmarked. But yeah, I think that's really good. What do you think in the comment section, guys? Like I said, I am leaning towards more lightweight stuff, mainly because of my back issues and my hip. But I'm not going to go fully lightweight, just enough to get me outdoors, get me out there for a bit of a distance, and just enjoy the woods, really. But that's all my goal is, just to go out and enjoy the woods. So let me know in the comment section, guys. Have you heard of this company? Again, it's Wildside. This is the Featherlight 700 mil set. So go check them out. I'll put a link in the description box below, and let me know what you think. Thanks, guys, for watching. I'll catch you next video.